If your SSD is full like this and you want to upgrade but you're still reluctant because SSD prices are crazy expensive, relax. With just 20,000 or around 80,000 rupiah, you can get 5 terabytes of cloud storage. What's even cooler is by using this secret tool, you can install the cloud storage into File Explorer on Windows, so you can access it more easily and quickly. How do you do it? Watch this video until the end. Hello? Assalamualaikum, welcome to the levelup.id channel. In this video, we will share with you how to easily install cloud storage in your Windows File Explorer.
For those of you whose SSD is starting to get full, you want to upgrade your SSD, but you're still not willing to buy a new SSD because the price just doesn't make sense.
This time guys, don't worry, you can just try subscribing to cloud storage that's currently cheap, like Internx. With just around 20,000 rupiah, you can already get 1 terabyte. Or if that's not enough, with around 80,000 rupiah, you can get 5 terabytes. But the problem is, if we use cloud storage, it usually gets complicated. If we want to access our files, we have to log into the cloud storage and download them first, and vice versa. For example, if we want to save a file, we have to upload it to the cloud storage first, then our file will be stored there. Guys, but don't worry, in this video we'll share how to set up cloud storage so it appears in Windows File Explorer, making it much easier to access. Let's not waste any more time, let's get straight to the tutorial. Okay guys. Now we're on the PC, where we'll install the cloud storage. As you can see here, our C drive is almost full. There's only 47 gigabytes left.
And in this video, we'll be using Internx Cloud Storage because Internx currently has the cheapest price and its features are also really cool.
Especially when it comes to privacy, this could be one of the best. If you want to try Internx too, just click the link in the description and you'll automatically get an 87% discount. After you get here, just buy and claim the deal, and here you can choose Internx. There's an annual version. You can pay monthly. The price starts from Rp 20,000 for 1 TB guys. Or if you want something bigger, here for around Rp 50,000 you can get 3 TB. Or if that's still not enough, you can subscribe for around Rp 80,000 and get 5 TB, and it comes with the most complete features. Or if you don't like subscriptions, you can also make a one-time purchase or choose the lifetime option. Just pick whichever suits your needs. For this video, we'll just choose the ultimate monthly plan. Just select plan here. After that, if you don't have an Internx account yet, just enter your email and set your password. Then here you can also choose your payment method. You can use PayPal or you can use a debit or credit card. Then just select pay. And after it's successful, now we can go straight into the Internx drive. Here you can see we already have 5 TB of cloud storage for only Rp 80,000. Now actually, we can immediately use this Internx to store our files. For example, if you want to upload a file, just select upload here. Then choose the file you want to upload. For example, select this image and click open. Then the file will be uploaded directly to the cloud storage. Or if you want it to be even simpler, you can just drag and drop files or folders into Internx. For example, if we want to upload the Chrome OS portable folder, we just drag and drop it here. Then the file or folder will automatically be uploaded to Internx very easily. The files we upload to Internx will automatically be encrypted by Internx. So the files are guaranteed to be safe from malware attacks because there is also a zero-knowledge encryption feature. Even the people at Internx won't know about the files we upload to Internx, so you don't need to worry about privacy anymore. Now, let's talk about how to connect or mount this Internx drive to File Explorer so that it appears like a regular drive. This way, we can access it more easily. Here, we will use a tool called RClone to display or mount the Internx drive to File Explorer in Windows. Alright guys, to install and set up RClone, please download the RClone script. The link is in the description. After you download it, just right-click, select Extract All and choose Extract. After that, run the notepad file by simply double-clicking it. First, we will install RClone and also WINFSP.
To do this, go to the Start menu, type PowerShell, and select Run as Administrator, then choose Yes. Once you're in PowerShell, copy the first command with Ctrl-C, go to PowerShell, right-click here, and press Enter.
After it's successfully installed like this, copy the second command to install WINFSP. Press Ctrl C, go to PowerShell, right click and press enter again. After both are installed, you can exit PowerShell as administrator. Now please open the regular version of PowerShell. Go to the Start menu, type PowerShell and select Windows PowerShell here. Next, please copy the command. After installing, just copy the RClone version command with Ctrl C, go to PowerShell, right click and press enter. If something like this appears, it means we've successfully installed RClone. Let's check the installation location again. Copy the second command with Ctrl C, right click here and press enter here. Now we know the installation location of RClone. We'll need this later to set up the task scheduler so RClone can run automatically. Next, continue by copying the RClone config command. Press Ctrl+C, go to PowerShell, right click and press enter. Guys, if something like this appears, we're going to create a remote. Just type N and press enter. Then give a name to the remote you want to create. For example, let's name it Internx. You can name it whatever you want. Just make sure there are no spaces or keep it short so it's not complicated, guys. Just press enter. And here, guys, just look for which number Internx is. You can see here, Internx drive is number 33. So just type 33 here and press enter. After that, here we will enter the email from our Internx account and press enter again, then enter the password from your Internx account here. When you type the password, nothing will show up, okay? After you enter the password, press enter, then confirm the password and press enter again, then press J and enter. And here you can set more advanced settings for RClone. If you want to use the default settings, just press enter again, press enter again to use the default settings, press enter again, and finally press enter one last time. After that, to exit the advanced config, just press N and then enter again. If something like this appears, type Y. That means we've successfully set up RClone. Next, we just need to mount Internx in Windows File Explorer using RClone so that it can run automatically. We will use the task scheduler in Windows. Okay friends, to make setting up the task scheduler easier, we've also prepared a task scheduler script file here. You just need to open the file. After that, run PowerShell. Select Windows and type power, then choose PowerShell here. Once you're in PowerShell, just run the first command or script.
First, press Ctrl C, go into PowerShell, right click and press enter to create a script folder in the RClone directory.
Then run the second script again, copy it, right click, press enter, and you can also run the third script. Just right click and press enter.
Then let's also check the cache location. Just copy it, right click and press enter.
And finally, here we copy the fifth script, press Ctrl+C, right click here and press enter. After that, we just need to copy the next script here. Just copy up to here, starting from set to true. Press Ctrl+C, open a new notepad file, then press Ctrl+V. After that, you change the location of the rclone.exe, the config location, the cache location, and also the log location. You just need to find the location in PowerShell earlier, starting with the .ex, copy it, press Ctrl+C, then go back to Notepad. Here we're going to change the RClone location, just delete it and press Ctrl+V.
Then move on to the config location. Check it in PowerShell, then copy this one. Press Ctrl+C, go back to Notepad again, and change the rclone.config location.
Just delete this and press Ctrl+V. Then for the case here, we will also change it. Check it in PowerShell. This is the cache location. Just copy it, then go in here and change the case location. The same goes for the log. Here we will also change it, but for the log, just change the log location. Don't delete the slash and mount log. Go into PowerShell, then copy this address or location. Press Ctrl+C, go back to Notepad, delete the log location, and press Ctrl+V here. After you're done, choose File, then select Save As, and name it Mount This or Main Internx. Change the Save As type to All Files, and here add .vp.
For the save location, please go back to PowerShell, copy the directory above, press Ctrl+C, go back to Notepad, right-click on the address bar, select Edit Address Bar, and press Ctrl+V.
Press enter, then go into the script folder. After that, just choose save, and you can close Notepad to mount the internx.pbs file. The next step, please open the start menu, type scheduler. then select Task Scheduler, and here choose Create Task. And give it the name Mount Internx RClone, then select Run only when user is logged on, and don't check the Run with Highest Privileges option. For Configure 4, select Windows 10. After that, go to the Trigger tab.
Select New, then for Begin the task, change it to @logon, and here choose Specify User.
And make sure here you select the user that exists on your computer. Check the Delete Task After section and set it to 30 seconds. Then make sure you check the Enable option here. After that, click OK. Go to the Action tab, select New, and for the action, choose Start a Program. And for the program or script, please open Notepad again. Copy the following command. Press Ctrl C, go back to Task Scheduler, then press Ctrl V here. For the argument, please go back to Notepad. Copy this command, press Ctrl C, go back to Task Scheduler, and press Ctrl V. For the start in, go back to Notepad. Copy this command and press Ctrl C, and just press Ctrl V here. Here you also need to change the name to match the username on your laptop or PC. On our laptop, the name is Level Up Space, so we change it in the Task Scheduler. Change the username here to Level Up Space. We also change the one in Start in.
Then go to the Conditions tab, uncheck the box for Start the task only if the computer is on AC power. Then go to Settings and check Run Task as soon as possible. Also check if the task fails, set it to 1 minute, and for the restart option here, we set it to 3 times.
Disable, stop the task, and at the very bottom, select Do Not Start a new instance. Click OK. So now we've created a new scheduled task with the name Mount Internx RClone. Now we'll try running it manually. Here, let's check in File Explorer. It's still not showing up yet, the Internx drive. Now right click, then select Run. And wait about 30 seconds because earlier we set the delay to 30 seconds, guys.
After that, go into File Explorer, just refresh it, and now the Internx drive will appear. Now we'll try restarting to see if it runs automatically.
After restarting, wait about 30 seconds and let's check the File Explorer.
Now the Internx drive will automatically appear here, and you can directly access the files in Internx, and vice versa, guys.
So that's how you set up root storage, guys. This way we can install it on our laptop or PC and it will show up in File Explorer using RClone. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum.